Today we've got a 2020 Jeep 2.0L Turbo that rolled in running extremely rough. Engine shaking, misfires everywhere. Let's dig in. Scanned for codes, and we've got P0300, random multiple misfire, and P0303 cylinder 3 misfire. So next step, leak-down testing. On these 2.0 turbo engines, internal failures are pretty common when misfires hit one specific cylinder. Cylinder 3 showed 100% leak down. That means all the compression is leaking out, no sealing at all, zero, dead hole. Found excessive oil inside the cylinder. That confirms it. This engine has a major internal failure, likely rings, piston, or even cylinder wall damage. At this point, repair isn't worth chasing. With 100% leak down and oil filling the cylinder, this 2.0L is going to need a complete engine replacement. These Jeep 2.0 turbo motors are known for cylinder failure, especially cylinder 3.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.